Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to mute Instagram notifications on PC. We start by opening Instagram. Next, we click on the More option and then on the Settings option. Here, we will click on Notifications. Next, we choose the Push Notifications option. Afterwards, we will see a list of different options where we can deactivate those notifications that we do not want to receive. We can also silence them all at once for a set period of time. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.